You see this? Son of a... This is the stuff that pisses me off. We just freaking went in there. The chain broke on the fan, right? Okay, that's a maintenance thing for something I don't want on my property. I don't want this on my property. This is something where they screw the hose into here and it gives them a place there where they can do the hose. But do you see the problem? That's why I'm good at what I do, because I can walk by and I can see the issues. If this breaks, who's got to fix it?
Oh, that's you.
I gotta fix this freaking thing. So we're gonna rent this to somebody. They're gonna come in, they're gonna put their hose on there, and what they're gonna look at? They're gonna look at this. And they're gonna say, this freaking thing is broken. Y'all gotta come fix it. Then I'm gonna send a guy over here because they're not gonna explain what's going on. My guy's gonna look at it and he's gonna say, oh, I gotta go buy a hose for this. This is gonna be a washer and dryer hose. So what my guy's gonna do is my guy's gonna go to Home Depot, which is gonna be a 30-minute drive. He's gonna pick up a washer and dryer hose, which is 2 of these, not 1 of these, because they come in a pack of 2. And he's gonna come put it on here. I'm gonna lose 2 hours of labor. To buy the washer and dryer hose, it's probably gonna cost me $35, you know, to buy the hoses. And for him to come put them back on. And then what's he gonna do with the extra hose? Probably throw it away, because what am I gonna do with this 6-foot hose?
Yeah, where are you gonna store that for the next person?
This is the stuff, hold on.
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
We're shooting a video and we're live. And I got you on speakerphone.
Yes, sir.
So I'm walking over here at 65 McMurtry.
Okay.
The dryer vent in the back really is trashed. We need to fix that.
Okay.
The next thing I'm running across that I had a head gasket on my video was the fact that this hose bib out in the front. Have you seen the hose bib?
Is that the one with the little rack he's got right there to hold the hose?
Yeah. So
yes.
The end of that hose is all bent up.
Someone stepped on it.
So, they ran over with a truck. So, so you know, once we rent this house, somebody's gonna call us up and they're gonna say, hey, the hose bib out in the front isn't working properly, it's bent. And you know we're going to send somebody over here to fix it.
Yes.
So let's make sure on our walkthroughs all that shit goes away and we don't have none of that crap out here where people can have to charge us more money. Next question, ceiling fans. We got 2 ceiling fans in this house.
They got to come out.
Yeah, they haven't come out. And I went into the bathroom, or the bedroom, master bedroom, because the fan was on and it was a little chilly, so I pulled the chain to turn the fan off, and guess what happened?
I'm guessing something fell down and broke.
The chain broke. And I'm like,
that's why we don't have ceiling
and I'm
fans.
like, son of a bitch. You know what? If a tenant did that, the tenant's gonna call us up and say, my ceiling fan chain broke. I need somebody to come fix it. And then we what? Putting a new ceiling fan in.
Yes, sir.
Also in that bathroom in there, the towel rack is not fixed. It's laying in pieces.
That I was not aware of.
Yeah, okay. So the towel rack.
Yeah, that's the one that we was questioning whether or not to redo the floors, the playground out back. There was a lot of questions on that, and I've been focused on everything else besides that because of all the vacancies. But I will definitely get back in there and take care of all that.
All right, brother. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon.
Not a problem.
All right, bye.
See ya.
That's
great, but that's money. I mean, how do we make money in these houses? We make money in these houses by recognizing the fact of anything that can cost us money is not good.
It's business efficiency.
That's it. I mean, it's not a substandard. I mean, this not being here is not providing my customer or my tenant with a good product. This is the hose bib from the house right here. It's here. What this is a place to roll your hose up and put it on.
That's a nice thing.
It's nice, but it's not something that I want to provide. And if it's here when they rent the property, I own it.
Right.
And I got to take care of it. So that's the purpose behind that.